Avengers!
No, turn that on.
Hey, bitch ass nigga, you get whacked. Pussy talking that shit really cap. Catch me out when I'm feeling no doubt. Snap my fingers, I feel like damn. I feel that pain, that bitch can't handle. It's a big ass dog, put a nigga in the can. Got a shit on my hip, I feel like cat, like horse and bitch got a spackle. Put shit on, feel like Black Widow. I feel like Hawkeye with them arrows. My Glock, he near with that pistol. Feel like Deadpool, I can't feel him. Bitch ass nigga stop by that diss. And I put up in the block, nigga come up the miss. I'm the fly on this bitch with a metal ass orange. Feel like Falco and in this bitch. I catch me off, then I'm thrown to the six. I ain't playing with a nigga cause me at the rap. Shot out the bitch, he forward the back. Bitch ass Glock gon' go automatic. Little nigga talking this shit, I sent to the sky. I make little nigga gon' drop. Bitch ass nigga gon' talking that wop. I spin on the Glock, he a nigga in his thigh. Like, still told that nigga stop dissing. I put up in the block, nigga come up the mist. Stop telling that nigga stop all that diss. Got a glove on my hips, got a sting on the bitch. Gotta catch me off, then I'm thrown to the six. Said I walk at the pop with a big cat flick. This on me and fuck your bitch. I fuck your auntie, your mommy, your sis. Bitch ass nigga stop staying on me. Catch me up like Bunny Batiste. Principally, niggas talk shit. Send to the east, cracking the twos, the fives to threes. Bitch ass nigga stop talking this shit. Got the bench so simple. Hit a little nigga like Cutler. Hit a little nigga, I feel like a villain. Bitch, now I'm standing on the other. Catch me, I turn his ass with him go. Bitch, he block, put a hood in the throat. Put your shit on to get flies a hoe. Bitch ass nigga, you want this on my name. Get that Glock on, aim at a brain. I walk at the pop with a big ass chopper. Hit a little nigga right up in his head. Like, bitch ass nigga, now catch me a body. Shit like a dick salami. Tell that boy he bet not trying me. Got a hoe like a honey. She had the dick and I spin like a dick lock. I ain't fucking this bitch, no TikTok. Bitch ass nigga, he talking this bitch now. He waste my time, get shit now.